Hi, in this video I will go through the PDF and DWF files exported from this 4flex IDW file that I have uploaded, and I will show you what are basically the problems with mess in layers in those file types. I will start with the DWFX file. That is a multi-sheet DWF file exported without models using custom settings. So I open it. No, and here we have 5 sheets altogether in the file, and we have, as Lisa explained, layers for each individual sheet. So first sheet, border, okay, dimensions, okay, symbol, okay, title, okay, visible. Please note that the visible layer turns off all of the view of the perspective of this bolt assembly, including shading, visible lines, and generally everything that is associated with the view. So I am assuming shading will be on the visible layer, as this is quite reasonable. So we go to the sheet number 2. On the sheet number 2 we have border, okay, dimensions, okay, hidden. Why hidden now hides the shading of this view, while in the sheet number 1 it was the visible layer that was hiding this view? So this is slightly inconsistent, because hidden now hides this and visible hides that, but does not hide this shading here. This shading here is, I believe, symbol or something. So why it is different? Why shading is on the symbol, hidden, and visible? This is inconsistent, totally bad. So we go to the sheet number 3. On the sheet number 3 we have border, okay, break line, okay, detailed boundary, okay, dimensions, okay, hatch, okay, hidden. And again, hidden hides the shading of one single view only. Why not rest of them? Section line, okay, symbol. And symbol hides shading of this view, hides symbols, plus it hides part of the title block. This text here on the bottom of the page, this whole thing is part of the title block. Why symbol is hiding this text, while this text is just the same as other texts in the title block? And then title hides everything but the text in the title block, and visible hides visible lines plus shading of some but not all views. So hiding shading is spread all over the layers of the file. In the drawing number 4, in the sheet number 4, border, okay, center line, okay, dimensions, okay, hatch, okay, section line, okay, symbol. And again, symbol hides shading of one view but does not hide anything in other views. So, and as we remember, shading of this view was once turned off by hidden and once turned off by visible. We shall see title, okay, and visible as on the first sheet. Visible turns off this, but on the second sheet it is hidden that turns off this, but not entirely, only partially. So this was the sheet number 4. Sheet number 5. Sheet number 5. Border, okay. Break line, okay. Dimension, the detail border, okay. Dimensions, okay. Symbol. And again, symbol now hides text, whatever, symbols, plus symbol for some unknown reason is hiding 2 logos from the title block. Why symbol is hiding the title block logo? Title is hiding rest of the title, and visible is hiding, this time visible is hiding the shading. plus shading and visible line. So generally in the DWF file, shading is spread all over the layers without any reasonable sense, and also there are problems with hiding various parts of the title blocks, including logos, and this on the sheet number 3, and this part of the title block that is hidden by I believe symbol it is, yes. So generally you have here description of the problems in DWF file. Now I will open the corresponding PDF file. And in the PDF file we also have, as we can see here, those 5 corresponding sheets. We switch to layers. And visible hides this plus that, border okay, title okay, symbol okay, dimension okay. Rest is empty. Now we go to the sheet number 2. Visible only hides that, doesn't hide hatch, it doesn't hide shading here, doesn't hide shading here. Although on the sheet number 1, visible hides this piece of the drawing. Border. Ha! Now border does not hide border, but border this time hides shading of the bold. Title. This time title hides the border of the view. So symbol hides, of course, symbol hides the title block. This is obvious. Dimension. Dimensions. Look, dimension doesn't hide dimension. Dimension hides symbols and what else? Parts list table. 0 hides shading on the some randomly selected view, and dimensions, second layer dimensions, hides dimensions. I wonder what will be on the sheet number 3. On the sheet number 3, visible, of course, visible hides visible lines plus shading of some but not all views. Still not consistent, not any logic. Border, of course, border now hides the shading of the middle view. Title, I wonder what title does now. Title does something, it is not empty, but what it does. Aha, title, look here. Title hides the break line. You see? I will zoom in to show you. This line is on the layer title. Yes, of course. This is title. Then symbol. Symbol hides part of the title block plus symbols plus view titles. Dimensions. Oh yes, dimensions hides border of the view. 0 hides nothing. The other dimension holds the detail boundary. So please, dimension. Section line. Oh yes, section line is okay. Section line hides the section line. Hatch is also okay. Title. Title hides the title block, but not entirely, because it leaves the piece of the title block that is for some unknown reason on the other layer. And other layer dimension hides dimensions. Sheet number 4. Visible. Visible hides. Again, it hides all of this view that was previously hidden by other layers, and also some other visible layers, visible edges. Border. Oh yes, of course, border hides shading plus parts list plus symbols. Title. Title is border. Symbol is title block. Dimension is section line. Dimension, second dimension is hatch. Section line is empty. Hatch is dimension, and title is center line. Well, how oh, it is there are no words to express my feelings now. Visible. This time visible hides visible all of the view plus the other one. Border. Border hides the break line. Title hides as it is named, of course, symbols plus logos from the title block. Symbol hides border. Dimensions hides detail boundary. 0 hides nothing. Dimension hides nothing. Section line hides dimensions, and of course hatch hides the title block. So please, I have reported that for the inventor 2015, and I got information it is fixed twice. I will say that it is annoying that you do not even check what the problem was before telling me it is fixed. Please, now take this video, examine the files, get to the bottom of the problem and tell me it is fixed when it is fixed, not when it is not fixed. Please be reasonable. I am reasonable for you. I am giving you data set, I am giving everything. Please do something that is useful.